So in this video, I talk about the usage rate of some of these substances. Okay, so that's just the usage rate of some. So I just go on net and then I write on the usage rate of substances. Okay, so that's just what I do. So this is just my formula book. It goes. You understand? It goes like, you understand? It goes you understand? So with any product, you have to have a formula to make any reasonable or calculated or a product that you'll be able to repeat if you really love how it feels, the texture, that is how it feels on the skin and what it does. Then you have to have a formula for it. You understand? But even some of these substances that are used to make some of these products, when you exceed the usage rate, you will find that some begin to itch, some begin to irritate the skin, some, you understand, some don't work for your skin type and all that. So you have to first and foremost know the usage rate of any substance. Okay, so I just have a few. Okay, I just went to WhatsApp Meta AI, just research not only WhatsApp Meta, and then go to research on the usage rate of some of these substances like sexual alcohol. For creams and lotions is between this and this. BTMX wax as emulsifying wax, hydrolyzed with protein. Some of these substances that I used to make lotions, creams, and then shampoos. Okay, so that's what basically I do. It's very important to know the usage rate of a substance before you even try to use it, because that it is the producer's recommended use of the substance. When you exceed it, when you go below, it has its own effect it would have. So knowing first and foremost the usage rate of a substance is very important. And then to make any product, to my number one, my second thing is that you have to also know what you want to make. Okay, so for instance, I want to make a lotion, I want to make a cream, I want to make this. Okay, so I have to know what I want to make, and then work on getting what I want to make. So if it's a lotion, I know how I like my lotion to feel, not too oily. So you have to know all that. I don't want a too oily lotion, so I wouldn't add so much oils. So the oil usage ratio should be between this and this. You understand? So it's all very, very important to know all of that before you even start making anything. And after you are done with all those decisions, then you go to the formula. So this is my formula book. This is my formula book. I have a whole lot of failed attempts. I have a whole lot of attempts that I feel like, wow, it's nice. Yeah, I feel this. Like with some of my deep conditioners, I feel this. Some of the products I make, I know that I don't really like the texture. There's just something about it I don't like. You understand? So it's very important to know that. One fun fact about me trying to start making my own products is that once I learned how to make my own products, I used to talk about sensitive skin. Okay, me having sensitive skin, scalp skin and all that. You understand? Yeah, that is very true. I have other videos of using different products to treat my sensitive skin, and I've noticed that for instance, making my own shampoo and then deep conditioner has really drastically reduced the pain, my sensitive skin, my itchiness, irritation when I wash my hair and then I keep it for a week or even a month. I can now keep my hair for about 3 weeks without so much itching. I wouldn't say the itching is reduced or it's gone drastically, but it is drastically reduced because that I use mild surfactants.